A Canton police officer placed on placed on leave and under investigation. This all happens to do with his apparent connection with the Karen Reed case. Boston 25 News reporter Ryan Breslin live at the Canton Police Department with details about this officer. Ryan, good morning.
Good morning to you, Gene. Canton police say that Detective Kevin Albert has been on paid administrative duty since June 13th. That was the day after State Trooper Michael Proctor took the stand in the Karen Reed murder trial, testifying to text messages between the two of them. Now, Canton Police Chief Rafferty says that Albert's suspension came after Proctor acknowledged that he and Kevin went out drinking several months after the death of John O'Keefe. In Proctor's testimony, he said he and Albert were socializing acquaintances on several occasions. On July 19th, 2022, 5 months after the death of John O'Keefe, texts show Kevin Albert and Michael Proctor went out together. The next day, Proctor texted Albert that he found his badge in his cruiser. Albert texts back asking about another item.
Did I take my gun? And then included a wince face. But he left his badge in your cruiser after a night of drinking. Isn't that right?
Yes.
Which means you were drinking and driving in your cruiser. Right?
From what I remember, we were down the Cape working on the cold case together and stopped for dinner, had a few beers, and then dropped him off.
Now, more texts include Kevin Albert texting Michael Proctor saying, "I was hungover for sure today." Sergeant Proctor says that he doesn't recall either of them being intoxicated that night. Trooper Proctor has been suspended without pay. For now, live in Canton, Ryan Breslin for your local station, Boston 25.